So here's how to delete all the emails from one sender in Gmail. So first you want to open your Gmail, and then in the search bar you want to type from followed by colon, and then the name or the email of the sender that you want to delete the emails from. So for example, feedback. For example, let's pick a sender from here, like this one, G2A, and then copy their email like this, and then put it here. Then just press enter, and that should bring all the emails from that sender. Now you want to select everything from the top here. Press this select checkbox, and then you want to press the delete button to delete everything. Now if you have much more emails, what you can do is select them all from this checkbox, and another option should appear. So let's, for example, try on Discord, since it sends a lot of emails. So you can type from colon and Discord email, and like this you will see we have many emails. So if you select them all, this option should appear, which is select all conversations that match this search. So you want to press that, and that should select all the emails. Now you want to press the delete button, and then it will tell you that you're about to perform a bulk action. So you need to confirm this, and this should affect many emails. So just press OK, and it should take a while to remove all the emails. And as you can see below, you should see a notification telling you that everything should be moved to the trash, but it might take a minute. And like that, you can delete all the emails from one sender in Gmail. You can repeat this process for any sender that you would like to delete all the emails from. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.